Get my, get my goddamn, get my TV. Hit my motherfucking TV. Hit my motherfucking TV. Hit my motherfucking TV. Boom, coming into market open. That's what I see. I see we building up here, but I also see on ES this high right here. Yeah, this is high right here. This high right here. It's the same high that we got right here on ES. So what I've noticed was when market opened, why the hell? Let me take it back. I must have clicked the wrong button. Do we still on? Yes, yeah. Market, what's this? Okay, boom. I don't know why I want to go 2 hours ahead so bad. But anyway, ES took out this high. So that means that the ultimate draw is this high right here. On why it look like that? Oh, okay. The ultimate high is right here on that. So ultimately all I want is buys. I want buys. I want buys. And then on top of that, if you look on the hourly time frame, we took out this low right here. This was the last low that was taken out. And the market started going in the opposite direction. So boom, let's take out this low. Market move off liquidity. So we got to take some money on to make some more money on. Boom, it took the money on that was under here and it started building back up. And like I said, ES had already taken out this high right here and it took out this one recently. So I do ultimately think that we gonna tap this eventually. But anyway, let's take it back. So also what I'm seeing prior to the open, we respecting gaps. We got this gap right here that happened. Market ultimately came down here, tapped into this gap, it continued up. So I'm like, okay, cool. There's no reason to really come down because there's no other gap to really fill in on this way. Like the market been filling, it's been filling orders. So that means ultimately it's still going up. The only thing that we had was this 15-minute gap and the market had came down, it tapped into the gap and it continued up. So once again, no reason to go down. Let's see what we got now. Boom, the only thing we had left was this gap right here. So what I ultimately wanted was a retrace into this gap, into this 15-minute gap, and then to continue up. And also we had this 5-minute gap, we had this 5-minute gap. So once market opened, we had a small push up. We started pushing down. That's what I wanted. So we got a bunch of confirmation. So number one, we're gonna get equilibrium. We're gonna ultimately tap into this gap and we tapping into this order block. So we got equilibrium, boom, that's checked out. That's one confluence. Then we got an order block. The order block is this whole movement down. Market came down and tapped into this order block, boom. That's a second confirmation. And then we tapped into these gaps right here. We got one gap, two gap on the 3-minute. On the 3-minute, we got another gap that's down here. So right now we still at, I'm just counting 2. Boom, we got 3. We got 3 confirmation that this is going up. So ultimately what I waited for was an entry. All I need is a CISD, which stands for change in the state of delivery. That means if it's going down and then it breaks structure, it's changing the state of delivery. So if it's going down, the next state of delivery is up. So boom. What we get? All right, boom. We had this candle sweep out this. So that's a good sign that we're going up. We had this candle sweep, which ultimately mean that it's protected because it swept liquidity. So that was gonna be my stop loss. I already knew that. And I needed to change the state of delivery. For me to change state, you see we got this down, we got this up, we got this down, and then we got this up right here. So ultimately what I would need is for the market to come down into maybe this area and change the state, because you see how this high ain't higher than this high and this high ain't higher than this high. That's how it's supposed to be when it's a downtrend. Once you break this cycle where you make a high that's higher than the last high, you change the state of delivery, or and vice versa. If you have a low that's lower than the last low going in the uptrend, then you change the state of delivery. So boom, that's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on the CISD. And then where we get it, we get it right there. Boom. So then at this point, I'm just waiting. I'm in at this point. And what we get a bunch of playing. We get a bunch of playing. And once we broke these highs, I went break even. So we can just make it like this. Break even, and it was just straight profit. Well, we ultimately hit TP right here. Let's see if I can bring that back down. I can't. But y'all get the point. I'm finna take that high. I'm finna go. I need an entry. We're finna take this high. This high right here. I just need an entry. I'm aiming for that 9 o'clock high. I just need a pullback of some sort. I really feel like, no funny shit, that we are finna go straight to this high. Like, and I know this is a stretch, but it's like on ES, we been took this high. Like, we been took this high. And that's right behind it. There's no way we don't take this high. I mean, it is way, but I'm hoping not. I'm currently break even right now. Hopefully we don't break even. I am just going for this right here. Ultimately. Yep. Oh, them grave. Oh, them grave. Come on now. Shit. Let's see what's right here. See, do we got a reason to turn around? Do we got a reason to turn around? No, we don't. We finna take this high. We finna take this hat. This motherfucker hat. What? I don't really know the only about that. I ain't got to play tough.
You be rich, but you fuck all that. This year ain't been hard money. Can't be mad, you just gotta catch up. The hard price.
Fuck that nigga with some money.
I feel in the hood, fuck
with the Giants.
You never going back to the hood.
Stop running.
I told her I know she take what she love me. Nigga puts me on the spot, I'm a bust. Too much lean in my private and crush. That bitch for the fire, you a cut. How you like smoke with your eye for your brother? I'm part of the mob, can't be goofy for nothing. I woke up this morning with arms for breakfast and Gucci for lunch and then Louis for dinner. Diving that pussy, I'm full of it. Car in my glass like substance people. Job I ain't need to make any leak. Rockin' the man got a fashion scene. I'm classy, I'm shipping and raising my pay. My bitch is from bad, her feet ain't pretty. The real niggas dying, they tryna think. If I had a eye, they'd be finding them sink.
I had $1 for every faithful bitch in the world, my account be empty. She gave me head, my roots on the presidential, getting me Mondo in. Too many fish in the sea, she on shot like boots out by the ranch. Rap shit I had to make it my hype, man, I'm feeling me, couldn't even fly to the range. Fishing like porcelain, I get a dent for implant, she never popping no bread. I look safe on the hook.
Remember my life, I used to be about 55. She really a kid,
Let's see what's right here. Nothing. Not a fuck thing. Nothing. Nah, it's actually no reason not to take that. I'm still confident in it. I hate these. I hate like when it's come back so far. It's really what I really think it's doing is just making. It's making a it's bringing it down to get people in to commit sales because they're gonna think, oh, it's turning around. They're gonna it's turning around. Then they're gonna put their stop loss right here, and then they're gonna be like, oh, we're going down here to these lows, and then the market gonna come and stomp their dumb ass out. So that's what I think it's doing, just accumulating liquidity, it's making it, and boom, stomp your ass out. Because that's how the market works. That's how the market works. They want to take your money. So all the people that got in for sales right here, everybody that got in for sales right here. Oh no, wait, that's buy. Where my sales at? Right here. Everybody that got in sales like right here, and oh, they put they stop loss right here, and they targeting these lows. The market knows that. So guess what the market doing? The market is coming towards your stop loss because it want to take you out. The house always win. It want to take you out. So it's just accumulating liquidity. So all the liquidity is right here above this. So now the market is coming to get that liquidity because it faked like it was going down. It started this little mini downtrend, but ultimately we are going up towards these highs, which ES already took, and ES just took this high right here. So I mean, let's see on the 4 hour. We're gonna be going for this high. That's what I see. Anyway. Let's see what's down here. Watch, we had no gaps or nothing. No gaps. Everything is filled in. Everything is filled in. Everything is filled in. No reason to turn around.
don't need no church, man.
Oh my goodness.
Lord knows I got they back to the
Get my, get my goddamn, hit my TV. Hit my motherfucking TV. Hit my motherfucking TV. Hit my motherfucking TV. Alright.
Hope you come take me away, get me from all these